Lawyers and analysts have said money laundering is a problem still persisting in the country because the government is not ready to fight it. Galaxy's Rina Olubumi tells us more in this report.
Over the years, foreign countries have copiously returned huge sums of money looted by corrupt Nigerian leaders. In 5 years, over $700 million looted public fund has been recovered. These looted funds have been recovered to Nigeria from countries all over, including the US, UK, Bailiwick of Jersey, Switzerland and Ireland. There are measures in place to check money laundering, such as the Money Laundering Act and the whistleblower policy. There are also several bodies in place, such as the ICPC, SFU and the EFCC. Unfortunately, money laundering continues to persist in Nigeria. Some legal practitioners note that Nigeria has all the laws that a country can need, but zero enforcement.
In Nigeria, we have placed individuals over institutions. So people violate all the laws with impunity and brazenly, because there is a lot of intervention in the prosecution of crime. The rules are there, the protocols are there, there are steps as to how you appropriate and spend money, but people violate it, and there is no prosecution. People are not held to account, and there is no enforcement. There is nothing that monitors performance in terms of offices that people occupy. When people are apprehended, the law should be made to take its course to the full extent of the law. You have a situation where some people are pardoned now, having approached so much money. It is very, very demoralizing, even for people that prosecute.
There's always a big question mark when it comes to anything that's with governance and utilizing finances. Personally, I feel our funds, public funds, are used to actualize projects. What I mean projects? I don't mean projects for the common good of the people. I mean projects for actualization of individual convenience, basically. These public officers just come, they share our loots, they use us to actualize their personal projects. Exactly what they do with the loots. Exactly. It's the truth. No government has come up to say, okay, I've collected Abacha loot. We have received Abacha loot that were repatriated and has given account for anything the money has been used for.
The lawyers note the political manipulations that surround the enforcement of anti-corruption acts and the efficiency of anti-corruption bodies will continue to make money laundering thrive. On the expenses the recovered loots have been used to cover, public affairs analysts note that the government has not been transparent with the people. They opine that even the recovered funds are being laundered.
President Muhammadu Buhari have said it. If we don't kill corruption, corruption will kill us. But currently, corruption is not just killing us. We are about to die finally. If under his own administration, somebody was alleged to have siphoned 150 billion as a Attorney General, and as we speak, he's still sleeping at home. The numbers of thieves and money launderers in our political cycle are far, far, far more geometrically compared to those people that really want to tame them. So it's going to be very difficult, and we are still going to be getting more. But my problem is that, will the loot not be looted?
And if we are to judge by what we see, you will conclude that, are this money in any way being used at all? They will not be able to come and tell us, because they know that what they will even come to say they've done with the money, Nigerians didn't see it because it is not commensurate with the volume of money they say. Now, how much has been squandered, has been thieved, has been stolen? I don't want to use misappropriation. It's a softer way of calling these people thieves. They are thieves. That's the right name that belongs to them.
The analyst further note that corruption will continue to persist because anti-corruption bodies have been suppressed by nefarious government officials. They say that the country